Alright guys, as you can see I got the bumper on, and as you can see it doesn't line up, so I'm gonna bring it back to my body shop guys, see what's going on there. Got it all loaded up on the trailer, got the top back up. You could also control these windows here, which is awesome. That's it, she's ready to go, almost done. What a journey we've been on, but it's coming good. Everything's looking good right in here, but all this needs to be lined up. But overall, she looked beauty. Alright guys, well she's all done now. I'm going to be bringing her to get the AC charged, wheel alignment, and a car wash. It badly needs one. But she's all good. As you can tell from the before and after photos I'm going to be posting right up here. She's looking real good. Alright, let's open her up. And there we go. Boy's coming with me. Gonna go for a little drive. He's gonna be the little camera. You gonna be the cameraman?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Here we go. All right, guys. So since I'm getting the AC charge, it means I have no AC and it's hot. So we're gonna open up the convertible, the top. Here we go, buddy. You're not gonna show the back going down? Okay.
Daddy, I don't like the gas smell. All the videos we have to watch.
Oh yeah.